Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to explain features and specifications of Apple Watch Ultra 3, based on the video you provided. This breakdown dives deep into the 5 rumored game-changing upgrades and additional innovations to give you a comprehensive view of what to expect from Apple's next-gen rugged smartwatch. 1. Slimmer, lightweight rugged design, 15% thinner chassis. Rumor. Apple is reducing the thickness of the Watch Ultra 3 by approximately 15%. Impact. Lighter on the wrist, more comfortable for daily wear and long-endurance events. Use case. Perfect for ultramarathoners, mountaineers, adventure travelers, and athletes who require rugged gear without added bulk. Protective crown guard retained. The signature crown guard design stays intact to protect the digital crown during rugged use. Reinforces the watch's identity as a high-durability adventure tool. Materials and finishes: aerospace-grade titanium. Lighter, stronger, and more resistant to corrosion. Color options. Natural titanium, storm gray titanium, a deeper, more stealth-like finish. Eco-anodized option, aligns with Apple's push for carbon neutrality, using sustainable anodizing processes. 2. Industry-leading edge-to-edge display, LTPO3 OLED panel. Next-gen display tech. LTPO3, low-temperature polycrystalline oxide, offers better energy efficiency, smooth refresh rates, and enhanced clarity. Edgeless display. Nearly borderless, stretching closer to the lugs. Biggest Apple Watch screen to date. Ideal for reading maps, metrics, and complications even in tough outdoor conditions. Brighter display. Up to 3,500 nits. Jump from 3,000 nits, Ultra 2, to 3,500 nits. Use cases. Viewing in direct sunlight, desert hikes, snow-covered terrain. Dive gauges underwater with more visibility. Clarity in astrophotography and cave exploration. Outdoor and low-light modes, adaptive 1 Hz glance mode, displays essential stats 24/7 without draining the battery. Night sight color shift, reduces blue light for night vision preservation. Great for astronomers, night hikers, and spelunkers. Long battery life plus power efficiency. LTPO3 panel. Reduces power draw significantly. Enables multi-day battery life with GPS tracking. Battery expectations, designed to last an entire Ironman triathlon weekend without needing a charge. Always on display and GPS tracking can now run longer thanks to better display efficiency. Ideal for multi-day hikes, marathon, and triathlon training. Backpacking trips, users who want performance plus longevity in one wearable. Satellite SOS plus 5G RedCap modem. Satellite SOS, now on Apple Watch. Previously limited to iPhone, emergency SOS via satellite is rumored to come to the Apple Watch Ultra 3. Functionality. Two-way messaging beyond cellular coverage. Breadcrumb location tracking for backcountry or off-grid treks. Emergency services can locate you even in cellular dead zones. 5G RedCap modem, MediaTek, RedCap, reduced capability. 5G. Balances lower power consumption with faster data speeds. Replaces old Intel LTE chips with more efficient, modern tech. Enables faster Apple Maps download, seamless Apple Music streaming, enhanced FaceTime audio, all while maintaining longer battery life. Perfect for remote expeditions, emergency situations, off-grid explorers, global travelers. AI fitness intelligence plus camera innovation. Rumored, AI-powered coaching and tracking. Apple Intelligence will power smart fitness features like auto-generated workout summaries, training logs, live stamina scores, recovery insights, activity recommendations. Uses on-device neural processing to protect privacy and reduce cloud dependency. Potential camera integration. Rumor Certino R&D may be testing a microscopic, wrist-mounted camera sensor. Could allow form check videos in the gym, quick snapshots of wildlife or scenery, auto-tag GPS plus altitude metadata. If not in Ultra 3, could arrive in Ultra 4 or future model. Bonus. Software enhancements with watchOS 11/12, likely paired with watchOS 11 or 12. Expected enhancements. Better customization of complications, health app upgrades, new widgets, and smart stacks, voice-based commands using Siri plus Apple Intelligence. Price expectations. Ultra 2 launched at $799 due to new 5G radio, more advanced display, titanium supply, cost fluctuations. Expected price $849 to $899 USDA. Release date prediction based on Apple's historical schedule. Announcement. Early to mid-September 2025 at Time Flies event pre-orders. Within 48 hours of the event release. 10 to 14 days after the announcement, late September. Like, subscribe, and stay updated. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and tutorials on the latest camera gear.